Welcome to infyGyan. So let's get started straight away by considering this expression equal to E first. Now we will use here the standard formula square root A plus square root B. This will be equal to square root of A plus C over 2 plus square root of A minus C over 2, where C is square root of A square minus B. Now let us write our expression. E will be equal to square root of x minus 1 plus 2 over 3 times square root of 2x square minus 5x plus 2. 2 over 3 can be written as square root 4 over 9. So we can write square root of x minus 1 plus square root of 4 over 9 times square root of 2x square minus 5x plus 2. Now we can club these two square roots here and we can write expression E equal to square root of x minus 1 plus square root of 4 over 9 times 2x square minus 5x plus 2. So this is our A, x minus 1, and here we have B, 4 over 9 times 2x square minus 5x plus 2. So I will write here A will be equal to x minus 1 and B will be equal to 4 over 9 times 2x square minus 5x plus 2. Now we are going to calculate C first, which is square root of A square minus B. Let's figure out the value of C. Square root of A is x minus 1, so we'll write x minus 1 whole square here, minus B is 4 over 9 times 2x square minus 5x plus 2. Now we have to use expansion here and we will write square root of x square minus 2x plus 1. Then we will multiply bracket terms with minus 4 over 9. So we will get minus of 8 over 9 x square plus of 20 over 9 x minus of 8 over 9. Now we will write a square root of x square minus 8 over 9 x square. Then we can write 20x over 9 or 20 over 9 times x minus 2x. Then we'll write 1 minus 8 over 9, which will be equal to square root of x square minus 8 over 9 x square will be 9 minus 8 over 9 times x square. Value will be x square over 9 plus 20 over 9 minus 2 times x, which will be 20 minus 18 over 9. So we can write here 2 over 9 times x. 1 minus 8 over 9 is same as 9 over 9 minus 8 over 9. Value will be equal to 1 over 9. Let me write this expression here. C equal to square root of, we'll write x over 3 whole square, which is x square over 9. Then we'll write 2x over 9. I will write 2 times x over 3 times 1 over 3 And then we have 1 over 9, which we can write 1 over 3 whole square. So it is creating one algebraic identity, a square plus 2 times ab plus b square, which we can write equal to a plus b whole square. So c will be equal to the square root of x over 3 plus 1 over 3 whole square, which will be equal to the square root of x plus 1 over 3 whole square. Now we can cancel a square root with a square. We are going to get c value x plus 1 over 3. Once c is known, our required square root will be ready. So I will write e will be equal to the square root a plus c over 2 plus square root a minus c over 2. Here a is x minus 1. Now we have to plug in values and we have to find our final answer. So I will write here, let me write a equal to x minus 1, c equal to x plus 1 over 3. Required expression e will be equal to square root a plus c over 2 plus square root a minus c over 2. Let's put both the values. We will get square root a is x minus 1, c is x plus 1 over 3 divided by 2 plus square root of a is x minus 1. Then we have minus sign. Then we'll write c, which is x plus 1 over 3 over 2. Now we'll take LCM in the radicand part, the square root of. We'll write here 3x minus 3 plus x plus 1 over 3 times 2 or 2 times 3 plus the square root of 3x minus 3 minus x minus 1 over 2 times 3, which will be equal to the square root of 3x plus x 4x minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 over 2 times 3 plus the square root of 3x minus x 2x minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 over 2 times 3. Now we can divide numerator by 2. So we will get a square root of 2x minus 1 over 3 plus a square root of x minus 2 over 3. Now we can rationalize our denominator as we have square root 3 in the denominator. So this will be our answer, or we can write our answer after rationalization of our denominator root 3. We can get root 3 over 3 in bracket square root 2x minus 1 plus square root x minus 2. So we can write our answer in both the forms. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.